Hey there, this is Sam from GSL SaaS Kits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own AI content creation platform under your own brand. And it's fully white label, and you can sell everything as your own pricing. Okay, so let me show you a step by step process. So this is actually the uh, Artixo AI dash agency page. Okay, so if I go to the home page, then here is it. But let me log in and show you how the agency white label system actually works. Okay, so I'm here into the agency dashboard. You can see the agency dashboard has all the features you need, like you can see all your users, you can manage them, you can create new user account. Okay, so everything is here for you, and you can also sell the AI content creation platform as your own price. Like you can set up your price. Okay, so you can name the price, plan description, and you can set your own pricing, as well as it can be monthly or yearly. Okay, whatever way you actually want to sell your content creation platform. And also you can integrate your Stripe account, so that when someone purchase through your agency account, then the all the money will go right into your Stripe account. So all you just need to integrate your Stripe account. Let me show you. Into the payment tab, you can put your Stripe account API key, webhooks, okay, and everything, and this will be integrated with your Stripe account. And when you set up your pricing plan, then all you just need to put your Stripe pricing ID for that specific plan, and then it will automatically map. And also you can enable disable the available AI model for a specific plan. You can see we have a lot of different AI models already integrated into the platform. And you can just uncheck the one you don't want to include into the package, or you can check mark to include it. Okay, and also you can set your own credit pricing. Okay, by default it has showing the pricing here, but you can set your own credit pricing for each of the single model. You can see all the model has the option to put your own pricing. So you are good to go. Okay, without any problem, you can set your own price and you can sell everything in your own pricing. Okay, and you can also buy the wholesale credit package, okay, from us, like the agency starter plan, also the agency enterprise plan. Let's say for example agency's enterprise plan, okay, for $399 you can get 72,000 credit. Okay, and you can sell them as your own pricing. Okay, and also for the payment tab, you can integrate your Stripe account by using the Stripe webhook, as well as your Stripe uh, secret, as well as publishable key. So basically this is the Stripe API key. All you just need to set this into your Stripe account, so that when your agency user will purchase any plan, then all the money will go into your Stripe account. Okay, and you can set your custom branding. As I said, that this is fully white label platform, so your user never see the Artixo AI branding or anything from us. They will see your branding everywhere. Okay, so you just need to put your agency name here, or the name you want to show, and then the logo is up to it's your logo. You can upload the logo, or you can put the URL, you can add your favicon, you can choose the color, accent color. Okay, as well as you can put your own support email address, support URL, whatever you have, okay, for the support. And also into the setting page, you can integrate your own custom domain. Like you can see in this agency, they just added the custom domain like ai.powerkits.net. Okay, so this is their custom domain. So when someone land on this domain, they see everything branded into this agency. Okay, and you can also set up your logout redirect option. Okay, let's say for example this is the application, and you have your own home page or the landing page to sell this product. Okay, to sell this a content creation platform, then you just need to put your landing page URL here. Okay, so when someone visit the landing page, they will see your branding everywhere, and when they click the login, then they will get back to the AI your domain. Okay, so that they can log in into the platform. Okay, and you can also set your credit and everything. Okay, so let me go back to the user dashboard. Okay, so here is the user dashboard. You can see here this is completely branded based on this agency. Okay, so there are no Artixo AI information. Like you can see here, Artixo agency demo. This is the name actually I said. That is the why it's showing Artixo. Otherwise, this is the your own name here. Okay, so let me show you some feature. Like let's say for example, if your user want to create the video, then they can choose all the model they want to use. Okay, so we have a lot of different model like vo3, grok, sedence, kling. Okay, all the models is available here. And also for the image generation, let me show you. For the image generation, we also have the Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Imagen 4, Grok, and GPT-2. Okay, all those five top image creation model is already available into the Artixo AI, and your user can use any of the model that you allow them for the specific plan. Okay, and we also have some cool features like to create the ads. Okay, there are a lot of people creating ads, and if you are an agency owner, you want to create AI content for ads for your client, then you can also use this. Okay, so this is very easy to use dashboard. Okay, and you always just need to put your image of the model and the product image, and you can choose the style. Okay, there are some preset, and you can also put your prompt, or you can just put your dialogue here. Okay, and you just need to select this preset, and you're all done. All you just need to create, just click the generate button, it will create your video. And also for influencer video, we also have the option. You can create influencer video, or your user can do the same. Okay, the same AI models you can use from here. Okay, and all the preset and everything is already there. Let me show you another feature, the talking photos. So there are many viral videos like this where the object talking and animals are talking, and there are anything literally talking. So this viral type video you can create right inside the platform. Okay, under your own brand. And also we have the avatar lip sync feature, so that if you want to create the avatar lip sync, then you can also do that. And also we have the other feature like the podcast. If you want to create post podcast style video, okay, you can see example here. You can create this type of podcast style video right into the platform. So basically this is the full feature platform. Okay, you can create your own content, and you can sell your client, or you can sell the platform subscription to your customer. Okay, and fully white label, it's under your own brand. Okay, so we also have grok storyboard, which is the new feature from grok. And we also have the video mars feature. When sometimes you create AI videos, then let's say for example vo 3.1 create maximum 8-second length of videos, and also grok create 10 seconds of videos. So if you have multiple clips and you want to join them all together to make one long video, then all you just need to choose the video you created, and then you can also add your own audio music, as well as if you want to use voiceover, then you can do that. And you can also add subtitle, and then you can merge them all those clips into one single long form video. Okay, so you can do this. And also for image creation, we have the AI influencer image creation option. We have the face swap option, where you can upload your face and also the target face, then the system automatically just create that face. Okay, so you can use the face swap. And also we have the music creation option. Like we have integrated the suno music here. Okay, so that your customer can create the beautiful music with this Artixo AI platform. Okay, and you can also create the voiceover. Like 11 Labs, one of the best AI system, voice can create your AI voices. Okay, it can be voiceover for anything, and you can choose the voices. Okay, we have multiple different option, the different model from 11 labs, and you can choose and you can create your voiceover. And also we have another cool feature, which is AI voice changer. Sometimes when we are creating videos by AI, let's say for example we are using VO 3.1 for creating videos. So if we have multiple clips for one videos, then you may notice that each of those clips get a slightly different voice sounds, as well as most of the time sounds are hearing robotic. Okay, so you can replace those voices by using AI voice changer. All you just need to upload the video, choose your voice from here, and click the apply voice button, and all the clips and everything that you have, everything will change, okay, with the new voice you selected here. Okay, and also we have uh, it, uh, watermark remover system. So if VO3 or any other AI give you the watermark, okay, then you can remove it from here. And we also have the inspiration, okay, where we have the template like this. Okay, so let's say for example, this is the template you can use, and also your customer can use this. All you just click this used prompt, you can see the prompt is automatically loaded here, and your user can create the video. And also we have the update and everything here. So basically this is the all-in-one feature. So to sell your own AI content creation platform, you don't need to build anything. We already did all the heavy lifting. Okay, and most of the platform give you the API. Okay, so to use API you need to make your own infrastructure, as well as the UI, front end, user authentication system, the payment system, and everything. But into the Artixo AI White Label agency plan, you don't need to do anything. All you just need to subscribe any of our agency White Label plan. You just need to rebrand your platform, connect your domain, connect your Stripe account, create your pricing plan, and start to sell your own AI content creation platform. Hope you understand everything. But if you have any other question, you can write a comment below the video, or you can contact us. And also you will get the link of the Artix AI agency white label website into the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day.